Hi, my name is Ben Van Cleve. I'm decided to buy a house because I've been previously renting an apartment and I just wanted to upgrade, more space. I met Ryan who works with the company through Zillow, and he was the agent that showed me the house, and I basically contracted him as my agent. It was a really great experience, especially Ryan. He's a very, very good agent in my opinion. He was always quick to respond to any of my questions. I don't think I waited more than 15 minutes for any response on a text or anything like that, and he was willing to drive around and show me, a dozen houses a day anytime I wanted to see houses. So it was really, really helpful, and just the company as a whole. If he reflects on the values of the company, then it's a great company. It means a lot to me. It's one of probably the most exciting moment of my life so far. It's always been my dream to own a house, and I'm finally going to do it. Overall, I'm satisfied with Ryan and Rudy's team, and I would definitely recommend them to any families or friends that are looking to buy a house.